there. The idea behind KISS was a simple one. And I'm going to spend a few minutes, not a lot, walking through why we wanted to do KISS. But succinctly put, we spend $2.4 trillion a year in this country a year on healthcare. That is way more than the bailout. We are on track to spend $3.4 trillion a year within a decade. That is like adding a bailout every year. And that's not, we're spending $3.4 trillion over the decade. We are on track to spend $3.4 trillion a year by the end of within a decade. And that's a lot of money. We can't really afford it. We're losing our competitive edge, and we're not even getting very good quality service for it. Our outcomes suck. So I took a hard look at this when I was at Google doing Google Health, and it was pretty obvious why. It wasn't as complicated as you would think, and everyone will tell you how it's really complicated, and there are structural problems, and there are all these structural issues, and there are. It's the craziest, most broken system of healthcare you've ever seen, because we, the consumer, don't pay. When a consumer pays for something, they pay for value in some way, shape, or form. It may not be value as, someone else might see it, but they think they're getting value for money. And ultimately, products that deliver more value tend to beat products that deliver less value. That's not true at all in healthcare, because you don't pay for healthcare. So when you're going to have your doctor treat you, you're just as happy to have the MRI as the ACE bandage. In fact, maybe happier. Who knows? Maybe there's something they'll find in the MRI. But the MRI is $3,000 and the ACE bandage is $30, and probably more effective. And in fact, the MRI radiation can add up.